So hi, and I will give you a walkthrough of my Apache Airflow POC. It is a daily ETL style pipeline that extracts the employee data, transforms and validates, and simulates loading to warehouse, then logs the summary and in a slide style notification. So this repository is an Airflow ETL POC, not a production grade, but an example like how we can orchestrate a multi-step pipeline with dependencies. So the high level of the pipeline is step one is it extracts and builds a small in-memory data and simulates slow input output with short sleep. Transform a shared Python helper. This is the helper. Clean the names, pass the age, and self normalize email and drop rows with empty names after cleaning. Then we validate. The same helper enforces rule, non-empty name age between 0 and 120, non-negative valid email format, and an email is present. If any record fails, the validate task fail and downstream step does not run. Then load. The simulates inserting a table called employees. It logs a pseudo SQL to the Airflow log. There is no real external warehouse in the POC. Then it notify a plain text summary and a Slack formatted message. In production grade, we will wire it with the Slack operator, but currently it can be added, but it has not been since it was in POC. So the tag here is using Docker, PostgreSQL, Apache Airflow, Python, and the share logic lives in the plugin file etl helpers.py, transforms validate fake inside the notify text. So the tag style readable logic is usable. So the project layout, if I show you, so this is the project layout. And before recording on the project, I ran a Docker Compose here. This is the DAG ETL data pipeline, as you can see here. This is the it ran successfully, and we have this setup. In this, you can see the last we ran time, the graph, the calendar, the duration, etc. can be seen. There are multiple views here. You can trigger a manual run, and which triggers a DAG, and so we don't wait for the schedule. And we can create a task, validate and load and open the log file also. If you have time, you can also in the ETL pipeline there are Python operators and dependencies seen. To summarize, this is an POC Apache Airflow with Docker Compose and Postgres, orchestrating a 5-step ETL workflow with shared Python helpers, XCOM between tasks, and a path of real sources, and Slack can be used in production. So this was the POC.